Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Story House, I hear say one them for Suza, they need defeat for Siwim. If it been a small technical palava way day, but anyhow, we glad plenty for one day where they look with this afternoon for this side. Strong number them for this afternoon. We go talk palava markets. We go take una go for new day dome. Where plenty been people then this time they no be open been place. For Sika waiting, we go tell una for inside Torim. For that side, so for Dakar market to na chapter for dirty. It don't make Ogame yourself for inside Douala 3. Where they call it say Oga to peel yourself. It don't come up for outside. For see as where they go clean market for Dakar. So for Tori for this afternoon, wanna sabi say na time for campaign. For Douala side here for 3 o'clock, we go get Akeremuna, where says it go be for that side, so for start second. We hear say Franklin Default, it dey for that side for West Region. But for Tori for this afternoon, we go talk wait way other people they do. Last, Ndam Joya too, it don't the enter for inside the chapter for campaign. As well people then say they don't start preparing for as well say it go enter for inside dance. All the Tori then so, plus even wait way newspaper get for talk. We go bring am for Tori for this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say die, na the only chop. We waiting, all man, he must to taste am. I say die, na the only chop we all man, he must to taste am. Whether na today or na tomorrow, you must to taste die. Big part talk, a common a place where they call am say Boya. And na Sue Evelyn, a send am for we. At the turn back, small time. Good afternoon, country peoples. We glad plenty for meet up una again. Chapter 2 for inside number 4 day. Tori, e go start for Douala Sep. We enter for market for New Deido. This and time. Now New Deido market that country peoples. As well on the sea, be na place the lock. No be na country Sunday. No way. I say you no be there na country Sunday. Mami them say they be turn for some other side, but be na place a lock. Wait till make the mami they no open their be na place for this same time for Douala. Na Douala, mami they she down. They thought say they know the open be na place. They say they know the open be na place. Wait till make a way they no open be na place. Pom, he enter for mami their ESA. He dey so for number 15 day for October moon. All them, they go come up for market, say they one can fix market. Now for them, mami they talk say better na mash. Better na by force country Sunday. They no open their marketplace. Now so too one time, Ogadi he too he land for day. They call it na Jean-Marie Chakwi. He too he land for day. Now so mami they start there. Papa ele yayato. Papa ele dio laugh. He say, oh, my pikin them. Wait till una know one open bine place no? Wait till una know one open bine place. Now way Jean-Marie Chakwi say he talk for them. Then he talk say waiting. No man, he no go comot them for inside that place. Say whether na waiting it happen. Say that place, he go so remain market. So before he want comot for them, by first country Sunday, for inside New Deido market, he stop. As well we hear, market, he open back for that side. After when mami they be don vex, we pom, he enter for their ESA number 15 day. Inside October moon, they go comot all them for day. They no go the make binet again for inside the space. But as we do come, man I didn't put volume small for up. Side we go surely turn back for this palava when we turn back for some time. We for here as we mami de glad say you don't can talk better talk. We go left New Deido market where they be get small country Sunday. We enter for different markets. Now for Dakar their own no be na say they be the vex market for Dakar. It don't turn a dirty place. I say market for Dakar come good. Na market that for Dakar. E don turn na place wey dirty e dey, poto e dey, loom. Hey, I say the place e dey smell so tey time no dey, and people dey also can throw away dirty only for corner. Na for there wey dey check say dey get for sell their business. When I see market, na market wey people themselves dey can take money, and even the company wey e dey look out dirty, who side dey dey? Who side the company wey dey look out dirty dey? Na dirty that. See side wey dey sell banana, see side wey dirty dey, and they no care. Whether na sick dey sick, they no care. They say after all, say black man no dey die dirty, but na the same dirty the kiwi. See as wey dirty dey for inside the Dakar market, and na only for the corner dirty wey mami dey don check say na the better place that they fit do their business. They no dey shake. I say they no dey shake. Market for Dakar e be na place where people dey get for she don talk. See plenty wey dey sell am, right plenty. Nadine, you to go tell your own one bundle for that side. Okay, you no go chop that kind of one. Dirty dey. So people dem for Dakar they don dey ask question whether that market e don turn a place where they dey throw dirty, or na place where they dey make business. Man e no sabi see dirty for market. Well, we go left that one. We come back for this side. Na for sika this dirty so wey e make am sabi say today na keep Dakar clean. Keep Dakar clean. So Douala 3 council peoples, Mayor Sese, Job Trophy Kwangna, e be there for before. Say if that people then they no one can carry the dirty, make they take their own caterpillar, see where they fit do. So Douala 3 council Sese e enter for Dakar today. Sabi say them too they dey chop money. Yes, them too they dey take council money so better. This way they dey do and so well, na better thing. And na fine thing for Sika say them too they don't can talk to where they dey take the money for do. They bring all kind of thing them. Brush, they bring shovel, they bring wheelbarrow. Say the one can carry that dirty them. So now for Sika they plenty dirty way people they don't cry. People they don't cry so they council for Douala 3. He bring young boy them. Say today na keep Douala 3 clean. Carry all dirty them. They get for carry all dirty them, come out and for that side. So now they walk that way Douala 3 council, go do and for Dakar market today. For Sika say market, e don't over dirty. Make we hear some mami for inside market. E talk for Ash say a microphone.
For Sika this poubelle, they know they move am. Any day they come throw and for we cap for here. They talk, they know the year. They talk, they know the year. They say they move them. They come today. They move them one side. They left one side. We talk for Sika that they know the year. We go do how pa. It is déranger, but we go do how. No, that is a time. They be fix this place to take a fan, but they come for back our order for here. Now dance back our order don't put down who the see and for this so. Any.
We go take una just now, we go for place where they call am say Limbe. For Limbe, na ketu for water, e don't do better work. All this zuazwa we wana disia, na ketu for water don't see zamu. This kenu sese wana see am so, na so kenu for ketu for water. Where they pick the people them, with that kenu and zuazwa. Who side they be the go with them? As ambassador, you go tell na see, man of God today. You see, hand of God they fully hand. Zuazwa where they don't take them, and they talk saying that this Zuazwa they take them, bring them for outside. Then now they take them for born place. According to way ketu for water they talk am. So now after they open their eye, shine their eye, before it is so they catch this Zuazwa. Plenty container them was Zuazwa. For that side, so for Limbe, with the 3 canoe and some other people there they do on top. All them, they no get book. I say they no get book. So ketu for water for Limbe side, all the time they do better work. Congratulate. I say waiting, congratulate. Now for go for before, make una no let the do and so they una start sleep say no they don't congratulate una no go do work again. Make una so the do work. Una so the look out with water. Sabi say na for that water we do the come up plenty. So this oil they be dey plenty where they cash am. No ask me where they go do am with am after. Me, my own work na for sure. I no care whether they sell am or they no sell am. My own work na for sure work wey ketu dem for unto water they did do am. We left that chapter for one side. Douala for Saturday, ebide na come and see. I say Douala for Wednesday, sorry. I dey talk Saturday wey Saturday don go so tey don pass. Moto dey no be the waka for Sika Shantu a bicycle race. I say for Sika Shantu a bicycle race, Okada, moto, they no be fit for waka. Even people say wey they wan go do binet, wey no be there. All man, e be turn up for time wey people dem for bicycle, they be the tonton for inside town. And na so they be the tonton, na so too Okada people themselves, and even you normal man, wey e be get for do e binet, wey e no be there at all. All corner, e be tight. All corner, e be tight. But thank God, say the bicycle race be there na only for one day, for one hour's day. If e for be number 2 day today, I no sabi say wey some people there for day. See population wey be turn up for Sika bicycle race. No man, e no be fit for waka. Sabi say Shantabia International Bicycle Race, e dey ever happen all time. And for Douala, they dey ever do that thing wey they dey call am say cycle bicycle race. E mean say they dey so tonton for inside town, choose some places, tonton. So now for Sika that tonton for town, e make people dem for town sesep, they be hear bad, wey no be dey dem at all. Now so we see am for Wednesday. We go open chapter just now for vote. OC Joshua, e don continue for make e waka. Even as wey dey tonton we with e own program. We be sabi say we go meet up OC for Douala. Only for we for years say OC don enter na for Yawende. Na mami dem this, mami dem can dey say OC, da. They sing their music. I say they sing their own music. They say OC come good. OC say meet up mami. I say mami how no? Mami say no, OC I dey fine. You see I'm say business no dey waka fine. OC say no, when you vote me for number 7 the business go for before. Until OC go now, I go check to mami dey say. Mami dey say na wetin? I dey say groundnut. I dey say corn. Corn wey I don fry am for fire. OC say okay, ma see wetin I fit do. See no, OC M1 for your hand. He M am, he take am. I say okay. Do one how much? Okay, may I see whether I fit pay. So OC meet up mami dem only for corner roads. He say make he own take his own small corn. Then he meet up with the other Okada people dem. He talk for them say na number 7 day o. Number 7 day, make una no forget. Make all wanna comot. Make no man in no shit don for house. Na that day we get for change country. Na that day we get for change country. So he show them he call up for a paper. Then all man just dey for corner. Thank God. OC. After small dance for that side. So OC Joshua dey also continue waka for that side. As wey dey pass, we say we go talk for now. Cabral Libi sesep, e be dey for Asa for Yawende. For Cabral Libi, e go meet up with we Muslim brother dem. For inside, e comot the shoe. I say Cabral Libi comot the shoe, e enter. E should done with the Muslim brother dem. E talk for them say, na time this for make thing dey happen. Make no man no fear. Na time this for make thing dey happen. And if una wan make thing dey happen, na for one now, for comot for number 7 day. I say Cabral comot for inside church one time for mosque. Na so population. E say Cabral, oye, Libi, oye, na you be our president. Na so they sing o. Then Cabral too tonton nyati enter so one time inside moto. He talk say country people, number 7 day for inside number 10 moon. We go meet up. Make no man e no she don for back. Adamu Dam Joya sep. The party man be don she don quiet so te people they be don check whether he no go vote again. Last. A people they don't start preparing for last minute. For a headquarter wey campaign e dey na for the way Ndongamen for prepare as well Adamu Dam Joya go comot for outside e start. Na the headquarter that where you see and so they struggle for see fixer. So now we don't start prepare own commoting. And Ndongamen for prepare e own comot in Adamu Damjoya. E happen for that side for Yawende. And all e strong people dem. They be there for inside that Dongamen. For see as wey they go plan, prepare, as wey Pa Ndamjoya e get for Tonton for see as wey go talk for voter people dem. Say na number 7 day o, rendezvous. Na the day that we go get for meet up. Make no man e no shake. Una put me like una kunkuma. I get sense plenty. I get experience plenty. Now, as wey campaign dey happen, all kind of poster dey come out. I say all kind of poster. The one na for French. I no fit correct French, but if e dey like say correct, Nadine, the one correct no? Yeah, voilà. Le contrat, whether na le contrat social o. Votons pour le président Paul Biya notre choix. No be so? Very good. Make we see whether bilingualism commission dey do e work. For Queen Elizabeth country talk, wetin dey write am? They make mistake or they no make mistake? Mistake e must today dey. The social contract. They don't comot see for contract. Then there, e no even get forbid day for the social. Just leave am social contract. Then vote for the president. Why you get for put the president? So there, no get forbid day and all that one. So last, social contract. Let's vote for President Paul Biya. Make una do the work with people there. They don't go school where they no get work for outside. When I write and so for Queen Elizabeth, Emmanuel Macron country talk, go leave am for people then to make the reader. Make una no carry and just put and so for road like say na only una. All side we dey talk bilingualism commission they get for do better work. Una get for do work for inside country here. Una no sit down for one side. Una just dey write any kind of thing put am for outside. For una now una wan be bilingual. No. Una give am for people there they sabi they work, make they work fine. Just for sabi say as wey campaign dey happen, thing dem too dey happen. People dem wey dey fight for clothes dey. One dem wey na cow e dey do work dey. Una see am? Well, last story wey just dey enter for we tori just now, they dey tell we say prayer for talk bye-bye for big bishop for that side. So for Ezeka just now, it dey happen. Make we try for see some of the image dem. Cabral Ibisesep, e dey for inside a church as well. The prayer just now for side for Ezeka. Sabi say big man, his lordship Jodone Bogmis, they comot a die body yesterday. So as well the talk just now for Ezeka side. Now image that we just dey enter for inside we hand. Father them all the day for day as well the prayer for say make their comb be sesep when his lordship where they call am say Jodone Bogmis is sesep. E dey plenty people them they dey for outside just now for Ezeka as well they make prayer for burial. Sabi say his lordship Samuel Cledam na his sesep e dey for that side for make big prayer. But as one I don't first see am, the first person na Cabral Ibisesep wey e too e dey for Ezeka just now for say make e talk bye-bye for this big man of God where he died so for that side. So now the image and that where they just enter with eye for that side. So for Ezeka live for inside Tori House just now. Make we enter for waiting when newspaper talk this afternoon. The guidance post a day for outside this afternoon. Country people them waiting there for strong number for the guidance post. They say Cameroon if he no look out, he go get serious casting go. When na Commonwealth, he go give am for Cameroon. Now for Sika waiting, now for Palava Norway as Awes, where it is also happen. So for inside Palava Norway as Awes, guidance post it dey talk for we say waiting. People the way they deal with shake a shoot, they enter from Ngata for womb, make 100 Ngata people them run come out for outside. Inside the same Palava now, so we enter for chapter for Norwest Away, so they tell we say waiting. Say Canada says he don't talk, say make e country people them they look out. One the way they come for Cameroon. Chapter for vote, elect am too, he don't talk on top that pom where it be happen say they talk say make they no carry tingni enter for place where e dey so dem go dey make vote. All the tori dem so plus even chapter for dat Ngondere dem wey dey for Kuwait wey dey suffer. Dey say Nkunkuma don show sorry heart. E talk say make dem talk for all dat Ngondere dem, make dem turn back for inside country. Other tori dey for the Guardian post wey e fit for read. Na so we go enter for the post wey e dey for outside today, country people dem. Inside the post newspaper too wey dey for outside, the post e turn back for talk for we wetin wey e pass for number 24 dey for inside this moon for that side so for Boya. The post e dey try for tell we say thing wey person wey be standard for daytime wey the thing e pass and thing wey security people dem too dey talk, e no get any sense as wey all man e don talk e own thing. So for inside the post, according to tori wey e dey enter for chapter for vote for new Nkunkuma, they say Aminatu Aidu e don talk say the new people dem wey dey for inside the chapter for vote, dem no get even sense at all. Wisdom e no dey dem, so dem no go fit for help Cameroon for go for before. Na as wey e dey make campaign for Nkunkuma. So for inside the same tori, dem dey tell we as wey new people dem for inside ministry for money for country. Na im mean say ministry for finance, dem don already put dem for chair and dem don talk for dem say wetin, say make dem work wey dem don give am for dem in the better. Other tori dey wey dey post e carry am for a scheme. Now so we get case for person wey e don lost, country people dem. We get case for person wey e don lost. Make we take una show that photo again. They dey call it na Ambe Abel Ngwa. Ambe Abel Ngwa na the name that. They say this pa e get 61 years. Pa e comot for house since on number 17 day for the moon. They never see. And tori wey enter we, e talk say pa be comot Bamenda. E be wan go for Kumba. Since for that Saturday 17 day for this moon, they never see Repe, and Repe sesep e no dey see, so e dey use na stick for waka. Say time wey Repe be comot for house, e be wear some white clothes up down. So any person wey don see this pa wey they dey call it say Pa Ambe Abel Ngwa, make e try for call the ting number dem 672-527-622, 672-876-188, or e call 677-439-324. If you no fit call tini number one time, if you don see the Repe, bring it for Equinox Tori House. Madame Ambe Lem Alliance annonce la disparition de son père, le nommé Ambe Abel Ngwa. Il est âgé de 61 ans et souffre d'un handicap. Il est porté disparu depuis le samedi 17 septembre 2018, date à laquelle il sortait de Bamenda pour se rendre chez sa fille à Kumba. Au moment de sa disparition, il était vêtu d'un ensemble pantalon et chemise de couleur blanche. Madame Ambelem Eliane prie toute personne qui hébergerait ou retrouver son père de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro suivant 672 52 76 22 672 87 61 88 ou 677 43 93 24 ou de la conduire à la télévision Equinox contre une très forte récompense. So, not only than that, for this afternoon, country people them, we go so the tonton. We want to say big thank you for Faren Bunya. We put hand forth as we Tori Wakam. Big thank you Ledu. Big thank you to Malis. Big thank you Nadine. If you don't top table, now for chop fine. Now sote for tomorrow again. Wanna hold am tight for outside day.